Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm in a 2023 Toyota Prius. I'm going to show you how to do the maintenance light reset and the oil light reset. Basically, we're going to be using these buttons right here, the arrows and the OK button, and then this button as well. And the OK button is like your enter. So I'm going to go ahead and come up here to this screen here and just kind of focus in on the screen. Now we're going to push this button right here to get the side menu pulled up. Let's see if it comes up. Okay, or you can push the arrow to the left to get that to pull up. Yeah, push the left arrow to get that to pull up. Now we're gonna go up to that little gear. So go up to the gear, push, or don't push anything, it'll pull up this menu. We're gonna scroll all the way to the right with the right arrow. Go all the way over, and then we'll have vehicle settings. So we're going to push and hold OK. Alright, now when we go down, there's scheduled maintenance, but if you go down again, there's oil maintenance. So it says push OK to reset oil maintenance. Sorry about the focusing issue. Reset the maintenance data. So we go up to yes, and then we're going to push and hold OK. Reset complete. And that's how you reset the oil light. Now you can push the back button, which is that little button with the 4 little squares, and you could go up to scheduled maintenance and do the same thing. Scheduled maintenance is kind of like when you do your 30K, 60K, stuff like that, or like a tire rotation or something like that. Anyways, hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. 2023 Toyota Prius.